Here we will write a program to accept a string from user, separate out lowercase and uppercase characters and store in two different lists. So first in comment line we'll write. We will do this using function. So we'll define one function, append list, with one parameter. Since we are storing uppercase and lowercase character into list, we will define two empty lists. And to check the characters from the string, we will use for loop. So for char in test string. First we will check whether the character is a space or an alphabet. So we will use it using if. So if char not equal to space, then we will check whether the character is uppercase or lowercase. For this we will use isUpper and isLower function. So if char dot isUpper, we will append it to ulist. So ulist dot append char. Else we will append it to slist. Then outside the for loop we will print these two lists. So print uppercase characters in string ulist, and we will print lowercase character in the string. We will print slist, and then we will accept the string from the user. So str1 equal to input, enter string to check, and we will call the function append list, and we will pass str1 as a parameter, and we execute. It will ask the string to check. It will print uppercase characters in string and lowercase characters in string using list. So first we have defined the function append list with one parameter. Then we have defined two lists for storing uppercase character and lowercase characters, and we will use for loop to check the characters sequentially. So for character in test string, first we will check whether the character is space or not. If it is not space, we will check whether it is in uppercase or lowercase. If it is in uppercase, we will append it to ulist, else we will append it to slist. And then we will print both these lists using print statement.